Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable dark mode on Amazon. Now the first thing you need to know is that the Amazon app itself doesn't have a built-in dark mode option. However, you can enable a system-wide dark mode on your Android device, which might make the Amazon app appear darker. And here's how you do it. Open your device settings, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon. Go to display. The exact name may vary depending on your Android version or device manufacturer. Then you toggle the switch for dark mode or dark theme. This will change the overall color scheme of your device, including supported apps. While the Amazon app might not fully adopt a dark theme, it will appear less bright. And note that the effectiveness of this method may vary depending on the specific Amazon app version and your Android device. So it's as simple as that. Let me show you what we mean. So if I put this down here, as you can see, I'm already using dark mode. So make sure that you also get it on to make sure it is on dark mode, and the Amazon app will look a little darker. Amazon app itself does not have a dark mode as at now. So hope you find this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.